Hello, welcome back. So in the previous session, we have understood what are POS tagger and why it is very important to understand the different types of POS tagger. And coming to the types of POS tagger, we have three different types of POS taggers. That is lexicon-based POS tagger, rule-based POS tagger, and probabilistic-based tagger. And we have understood how this lexicon-based approach or lexicon-based tagger works in order to tag the POS. So let me brief out again. Like it is a statistical approach. It will just tag the given word with the highest occurred or the highest frequency POS tag associated with the term in the given corpus. So I have given also the example of how it exactly works in real time. Now we will move on to the next type of POS tagger, that is rule-based POS tagger. While briefing out what is rule-based POS tagger, I have explained that it is a POS tagger which is built on top of lexicon-based tagger. So internally, the rule-based tagger will generally implement the lexicon based approach. That is, it will first implement the statistical based approach, and it will tag the individual words in the given text corpus. Then what it will do, it will apply certain rules on top of the previously tagged words. So in general, it will first assign the tag using lexicon based approach and then apply predefined rules. So these are few examples of different types of rules which we generally follow or which internally implemented within the rule based tagger. So the rules will be generally in this form. So the rules will be defined as like change the tag of the VBG for the words ending with the term ing. So change the tag to the VBD for the words ending with ed. Replace VBD with VBN if the previous word is, has, or have, or had. So these are the like basic examples of how the rules which we are going to define for the rule based tagger looks like. So so defining the rules, these kind of rules we should require an some exemplary analysis, like intuition behind the words. So they should require some intuition behind the word text corpus, or like large amount of text corpus idea before we generally define these rules. So as a common person or as a coder, it is very necessary to understand that before we implement certain rules for this rule based tagger, we have to be very well known about the lexicon or the linguality of the text corpus. So it is very much necessary to understand the English terms or English grammatical senses before we actually define these rule based taggers. So in the next session, we will have a more in-depth hands-on on both rule based and as well as lexicon based POS taggers, and we will just try to understand what are these tags generally referred to. Why is this referred as VBG? Why is it referred as VBD? So, and we will try to understand the different tags available in the text corpus or readily available Python libraries, and how these rule-based taggers and lexicon-based taggers work in time real action. So we will have that in-depth hands-on.